be showing you this 12V cordless wrench ratchet set. It's electric and it has an anti-slip grip. You can hold it only with one hand, and then you can also see it is really neat because it has LED lights right here that you can see when it's going, and power indicator as well. It comes with this really nice kit to carry it in, one extra battery, one charging station, and then these so that you can trade them out on here. So let me go ahead and show you. Whenever you want to change the direction, all you have to do is switch, and you can go forward and backwards. Go forward, and then flip it backwards. So I'm going to go ahead and I need to tighten this bolt. I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to take it off my kit inside. Look how easy that was. It gets into hard to reach spaces. This one's not super hard to reach, but look how fast and easy it was. You're able to do it with just one hand. I'm going to go ahead and put it back on. I've got to switch the direction on my. We're going to go ahead and tighten this up. You can feel it when it hits and it's ready to go. It was as easy as that. Was able to trade that bolt out quickly and efficiently with my new set.